Maybe I think I should take out my glasses. Okay. This vlog is about this bird of paradise that I have here. We bought this plant in a very bad state, so Bhuti has another 2 more plants which is in our bedroom. The goal for me is I'm gonna cut a few of the branches here and see if I could make something out of this plant that is almost about to die. It's in pretty bad shape. You know, the seller, we bought this off the marketplace, and yeah, it was in a very bad shape when we bought it. So just to point out, I am not an expert on this bird of paradise, so I just watched a bunch of videos tonight. So one of the girls said you should cut the leaves near the main branch, which is kind of, so if I were to cut this guy, I would start cut it pretty down here, I would say here. So I just think what the hell the previous owner was doing to leave this plant in such a bad state. Check it out. But this leaf is doing pretty good. It's nice and green. So guess I'm gonna cut this guy. So I'm done cutting the plants, and this is what I have left. Just one big leaf here and another one right here. I guess I thought one of these 2 were healthy enough to keep, and the rest is out here. As you can see, they were pretty bad. You know, this one, especially this one here. Yeah, hopefully I can keep it alive. I'll do my best. So I'm just gonna show you the 2 plants that Bhuti has. Yeah, this is Bhuti's plants. Oops. Yep, this is Bhuti's plants, and this one she got from IKEA and that one from Marketplace, and they're all nice and green.